in 3, 2, 1, rush.
All right, match number 13 here. Boom. And that's Artisanal Racketeers bumping into the landfill. Doesn't look like we're going to get any points here in this autonomous match number 13. Unlucky 13 in autonomous specifically. Okay, and 1:35 on the clock. Let's see these drivers move those joysticks. Right off the bat, Bambi Bot's looking to put a litter in the recycling container, recycle the litter. Sometimes I put trash in the litter in the recycling container by mistake. I don't do it intentionally usually. This is an intentional instance of putting litter in the recycling container. I'll take it. Wow, so now on this Blue Alliance side, we have 2 robots here with strategies to take totes from the landfill. We haven't seen that from a lot of teams yet. So we want to see how effective that is. Bambi Bots got the recycling container and this litter from their human player station. Now they're going to the landfill to put that on a tote. I'm curious how effective that's going to be for them. They need to put that in scoring position to get any points on it. So now they need to pick up that tote, move it to a scoring platform, and get some points on that. That's going to be 2, 6. That's going to be a 12-point stack. A very simple stack, a very small stack. Doesn't take a lot of effort, but I think they could have gotten that tote from somewhere else that would have taken less driving. And the Blue Alliance now, we're seeing more action for this Blue Alliance than we're seeing for this Red Alliance. Oh, wow. My eyes turned because I see that Bambi Bots had this nice 12-point stack. The recycling container fell off, and now we're not going to get any points on that. So just a really kind of a waste of effort in putting together that 12-point stack. Unfortunate, really. 30 seconds on the clock. Now for this Blue Alliance, let's come back over here. A little more action. We're seeing a lot of one-tote stacks. You don't get points for that. And so I just want to see how this works out for the Blue Alliance. Can they put another tote on top of one of those sitting totes on that scoring platform? And we're looking at the 10-second mark. I see a lot of litter in this landfill. That's going to be a nice collection of points. I don't know how many points that will actually rack up, but let's check it out. And that's our match. All right, folks, let's clean up this field. It's dirty with litter. Scores coming up, match 13. A low-scoring match again. Red Alliance picks up a score of 4 for themselves. And all those teams now drop in the rankings, down to a 23, down to a 16, down to a 32. On the Blue Alliance, a score of 14, and we see that our rookie team that was very high in the rankings, Roarbots, moves just a little bit down. We'll see how that affects them. Now they're at a 64 average of their qualification score. And then we go up to a 34 and a 30 for 2 of our other teams on that Blue Alliance. And let's see how their averages continue to build over the course of the weekend.